Hello, welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress that I make with a Python program that is made to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq with a goal to make and create a form of passive income. And in a daily update, I show you guys what did I change in the code, how did the bot do, and how did we do on the market. And if you want to know how we did it today, just stay. And before we go to the code, please like and subscribe, because it makes the channel grow. It makes the YouTube algorithm show this channel also to other people. So a like is very much appreciated, and subscribe if you want to. Now let's go to the code. And if we're gonna look in the code, what did I change in the code? Well, I made a small change in the hold position. I pumped it up. I pumped it up from 0.6 into 0.7. So everything that the AI thinks that is lower a 70% confidence creates a hold in the decision making. So from 60 to 70%, to make even more good decisions in when to make a buy and when to make a sell. That's what I changed in the code. And the other change that I made was in the AI pie, and that was to the printout. You see it right here, as in what the suggestions were, etc. And the other printout right up there. I also disabled those prints so that we don't need those prints anymore. And you can see down here that we have, and I see a couple of API errors, 2, maybe more, but that I only displayed for now the decisions for buy or sell or hold. So that's what I changed in the code. And I see another API error. So during the day, we had a lot of buys and sells again. So let's take a look at the bot and how did it function. And if I look at the bot, I see, you guys won't see it if I don't point it out, but we see that we had a start of today of 9:30 a.m. because last night my PC resetted as in a update forced by Windows. So this morning when I awoke, I found this and what? What's going on? And yeah, it was a complete reset of the machine, of a forced update from Windows, from Microsoft. So I had to restart the bot this morning. But from that point on, we had 159 candles and a daily profit. We are at 26 euros today. Again, a profit. Yesterday a profit, today a profit. With a current balance of 440. It's not enough. 26 plus a 31 of yesterday, it's around 50. And we lost Monday, I believe, 90 euros. So we're way down from the original balance we started this week. But the current contract size is still 0.1 and the stop loss distance is still 25. So no other changes in the code, nothing else that I did, only let it run and see how we do. And this is the second day that I changed the training of the AI and added a hold, that we see that we are profitable. Day 2. we will see how this will end in tomorrow when we are on Friday, the last day of the week. So this was the bot. The bot functions. There were no abnormalities. It's no strange thing except for some API errors, but that's not the bot. It's the API that's causing that problem. So the bot functions as it should be. So we can go on. I think that's going to be a short one. Yeah. So we can go on to the market. And if we look at the market for today, we see we had a long down and up. And so a lot of candles, red and green, red and green, red and blue. Oh, sometimes I'm colorblind. This is green and this is blue. You know the difference? Green, blue. Yeah. Now I remember. Red and blue as in today. And we see, let's take a look at the 1 hour. After the massive of yesterday, the massive buy-in of yesterday, and there's a lot of commotion in the United States if this is, how do you call it, trading with pre-knowledge trading. So there is some inquiries as who gained the most profit by doing this stunt that Trump did yesterday and the day before in announcing the tariffs and then counter them again for 90 days. Who gained profit from this? Because we went fairly far down and then again up. So someone has profited a lot of this. And I think it's insider trading information or something. I don't know specific name for this in English, but yeah. For today, we see a more normal number of bars in our market. I don't think it's really that strange. We are in a down market, but looking at the wicks down here, those candles, so there was, I think, a lot of volatility. And that's profitable for the bot because that is the action we want. But if we go to 4, so let's take a look at the VIX. This is the VIX 1 hour. Let's take the VIX for today. Yeah, according to yesterday and in comparison with yesterday we had a loss of volatility in the market, and that's shown by this bar. It's a long bar, and we all know why. And this is more a bar, it's even volatile too, like this one. So these are all good for the bot, good for the AI to train with, and good for us to make a profit. So I'm happy with it. And now let's take a look at the reports. I guess we have a lot of contracts open and closed today. Because we started yesterday, yeah. So, and then the first was at 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. 12 a.m. to see this happening for half a day, and we had profits like €1.62 and a €3 and a €6 is a nice one, 8 cent, 34 cent, €7, 253. So we had nice profitable, large profitable trades today, and I'm now looking for €2 loss, €1 loss, €1 loss, €2 loss. If I can find large losses, as in 4 or 5 euro, and I don't see them. No, these are all small losses. €2.05, €2.04, 76 cents. So 67 cents now. So yeah, we did good. The bot did good. The AI responded good. It's the second day that we're up. We're now, from yesterday, we started with 416 and we ended today with 440. Yes, so 16.40, I would say 30 euros, but it wasn't, it was 25 or something like that. Let me take a look. Yeah, 26. So we had a 26 euro today profit. Yesterday we had a profit of 30 euro. So we are up to 55, but we need tomorrow to compensate for the bad day we had on Monday. So, are we through? Yes, we are. If you like the video, press like. Subscribe would be nice too. I need the subscriptions, but I need the likes more. And if you want to become a Patreon, there is a Patreon link in the description. There's also a Discord channel if you want to join the Discord community. And of course, you can always buy me a coffee. All those links are in the description and would be good for you and me. Remember, have a little fun every day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.